Welcome back. We got day 10 of our cardio dance challenge. Today we are going to be focusing on our arms, our upper body. I'm going to be using these crazy 1-pound weights on my arms, but you don't need any equipment at all. If you do want to use equipment for the second portion of class, I recommend a light set of weights. So either 2s or 3s would be perfect. But if you're completing this challenge today, don't forget to comment below and let me know how we're doing. We're nearing the end and I can't wait to see what comes of it. Let's get started. Bring those feet nice and wide. Roll your shoulders back. You're gonna hinge forward from your waist, pull your abs in tight. You're gonna bend right, lift it up. Other side, left, lift up. Do that again, slow reach. And switch, reach. Lunging into that leg, find that T at the top. You got it, reach. We're gonna speed it up right here. You reach right, center, left, center, reach, center, reach, center. 4, 3, 2. Good. Speed it up. Take out the middle. Just go reach, reach. Keep it going. 8, 6, woo, 4. 3, 2, bring it up, touch roll those shoulders. Then press your chest, front we press. 4, 3, 2, shoulder rolls. 4, 3, 2, chest goes. 4. 2 more times. Last set. 4, 3, hips go side to side. Right here, go right, right, booty roll. For 2, then switch. Left, left, roll. Booty, roll it. For 2. Hit, 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 hit. 1 more each way. Roll, roll. Last time. That's it. Rib cage, side to side. Squeeze those obliques. Reach those arms straight to the side. We have 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, big stretch up and over. Lift up, switch, big stretch. 1 more each way, big reach. Last time. Let's roll those shoulders back right here for 4, 3, 2, chest press. 4, 3, 2, 1, roll it. 4. Last time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe. All right, y'all. Here's your movement. Rock, run, run, run. Rock.
Your arms are getting heavy. Set it all down.
1, 2, 3.
Put on all your
1, 2, 3. Out and run. 4, 3, 2, out and in with the roll. We go. Out and roll. Out and roll. Woo. That's it. 4, 3, 2. Hold right here. We great. Fine. Right. And left. 4, 3, 2. Step touch, let's reach. 4, 3, 2. Back from the top, you go rock. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Light your little fire. Music takes you higher. Let out your desire. You're loving it now.
Let's go for 4.
Keep on dancing.
3, 2. Out and in with the roll. Out and roll. Out and roll. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. We grapevine. And a grapevine. Woo. Here we go. Pull something down. Reach a higher. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a party, baby.
There it is. Out, in. 4, 3, 2. Out and in with the roll. Woo. 4, 3, 2. Breathe.
It's a party, baby.
So good, you guys. All right, we're moving on to our ab portion, or excuse me, to our arm portion. We're gonna start with our triceps. Bring your feet hip width apart, parallel. Little bend in your knees, hinge forward, zip up through your core. You're gonna drive your elbows up and back. We start with a tricep extension. It's back, squeeze, back, squeeze. Reaching straight behind our spine here. Now you can take the movement faster if you want to. I'm gonna walk you through 5 different movements, and then we'll repeat all of that for a second time through to really burn out those arms. Woo! Keep it up, keep your core tight, reach it. Out, in, and try to keep that upper arm locked into position. Squeeze it tight, go reach, reach. Almost there. Out, squeeze. Let's go for 4, 3, 2. Hold this next one back, just breathe and hold it here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, straight arms, and 1. Release and roll your shoulders back. Bring your arms to a 90-degree bend. Your palms are front. We press it overhead, pull, squeeze, press, pull, squeeze. So I'm stacking those palms at the top, alternating which hand is in front. Now you can keep it slow or move a little faster. Woo! Finding that 90-degree bend each time, straight up from our shoulders, slightly in front of the body. Whew, yes. Keep going, guys, almost there. We're here for 8, for 6, in 4, 3, 2, hold your 90-degree bend. We're just gonna flip our palms down. So we flip them down, we press back up. Take it down, take it up, take it down, take it up. Flat, press. Option to go a little faster. Woo! Feel that rotation. Keep it strong, energy at your fingertips. Stay with me, 8, 7, 6, 5. You've got 4, 3, 2, on 1. Hold here, take it out, palms up. Slight bend in your elbows, little reach. Out and in, out and in. Keep it slightly in front of your body here. Reach, reach like you're reaching to the corners of your space. Keep your core engaged. Woo, we just have one more move, and then we rinse and repeat, you guys. Stay with me. We're here for 8, 7, 6, 5. Give me 4. Woo! 3, 2, on 1. Breathe. Take your palms, flip them to the back of your space. Pinkies are up. You're gonna press back 4 times, then lift the pinkies. 4, 3, 2, 1. Press back, back. Oh yes, press, right in the top of that shoulder. Feel that burn. Push, push, push. Take it up, lift, lift. Woo! Give me 2 more each way. We go up, 2, 3, 4, then press, 4, 3, 2, 1 more set, let's go, 4, 3, 2, 1, then press, 4, 3, 2, good, drop it down, roll those shoulders back. Reverse the shoulders, 4, 3, 2, on 1 big inhale, reach it up, and then press it all away. We are gonna set ourselves up for that second set. So we started with those triceps, bring your feet right under your hips, soften into your knees, hinge forward from your waist, drive your elbows up, squeeze your upper back together, close your rib cage, abs tight. We reach it back, curl it in, so take it back and back. Keep breathing. Remember, you can take it at your own pace, whatever you need to do. Stay with me. Keep going. 8, 7, 6. We're gonna take that little hold at the end. You have 4, 3, 2, hold those arms straight, back, just freeze right here for 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, on 1, release your arms, roll your shoulders back, facing me, bring those arms up to your 90-degree bend, we press, up and down, reaching nice and straight, find that 90-degree angle at the bottom. Reach and drop. Option to take up that tempo. Speed it up. Go up. Woo! Keep it going. Reach. Here's 8, 7, 6, 5, keep breathing. We got 4, 3, 2, on 1, hold right here, take it down, lift it up, flip down, flip up. Option to stay nice and slow, or you can speed it up, down and press, down and press. Feel that rotation. You're all more than halfway through all of your arm work today. So stay with me, guys. We got this. We're in it together. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now take those arms out, flip your palms up, slide bend in the elbows, little reach, reach. Sometimes I just gotta move my feet a little bit. Finding that full extension. Out, out. Woo! All right, you guys, you have 1 more set after this, and then I'm gonna take you through a little breath, cooling down that body. Let's go. We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, on 1. Breathe. We're gonna roll the shoulders back. Bring those arms out to the side. Palms face the back. We've got 4 presses, 4 lifts. So take it. 4, 3, 2. Now lift it. 4, 3. Pinkies high, thumbs low. Press. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. 2, 3, 4. Push it back. 2, 3, 4. Lift it up. 2 more sets. Finish it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift it up. 4, 3, 2. Last set. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't quit. 4, 3, 2, on 1. Lower down. Roll those shoulders back. Take it back. Back. Keep going. For 4, for 3, 2. Reverse those shoulders. 4, 3, 2, 1. Big inhale, reach it up. Woo, good. Exhale, lower down. You're gonna take your right hand across your body. Switch it out. And then take it up. Find that right elbow. Switch it out. All right, you guys, that is it for today. Woo! My arms are on fire. If yours are too, comment below and let me know. And we will see you back tomorrow for day 11.